Tired of losing your keys, wallet, or even your pet? The Apple AirTag 4-pack is here to end that frustration. These tiny trackers are a game changer for anyone wanting peace of mind, knowing their valuables are always locatable. What truly sets AirTag apart is its incredible precision finding, leveraging Ultra Wideband technology to guide you right to your item with visual, haptic, and audio feedback on your iPhone. No more guessing games. You'll literally see the distance and direction to your lost item, even if it's under the couch cushions. Setting up your new AirTag is unbelievably simple. Just one tap near your iPhone, and you're connected, ready to track. And for those everyday adventures, the AirTag is built tough, featuring IP67 water and dust resistance, so a splash or dusty trail won't stop it. Whether you're looking to protect travel bags, secure your bike, or keep track of important items, this 4-pack offers incredible value. If you're ready to buy the best Bluetooth tracker, check the link below for the Apple AirTag 4-pack on Amazon. Integrated seamlessly into Apple's Find My network, millions of devices help locate your AirTag globally, making it far superior to generic trackers. For absolute peace of mind and the ultimate in-item tracking, the Apple AirTag 4-pack is an essential gadget and my top electronics recommendation for 2025.